movement of the VVIP, so this current financial year and also towards the end of the last financial year, right from 2025, 2026, meaning till this month, I would like to just share this information to the members of this August House. We have the movement of VVIPs and VIPs, 5,413, and maximum of this VVIPs movement came in from Delhi. We have President visit, Vice President visit, Union Ministers visit, Prime Ministers visit, then Governor, Chief Minister, State Ministers, then the judges of the Honorable High Court, senior officials, so on and so forth. So, sir, this is the small example which I have given, that about 5,413 movement has taken place. So we could understand the expenditure that we are bound to be borne by the state government. That's why this court motion came in. And sir, as far as the VIPs or VVIPs identification or consideration done as per the Blue Book and also as per the Yellow Book, because we are being strictly guided by these two books. As far as state government is concerned, we are being guided by the Yellow Book. I will not go through all this detail, but we are following strictly as per this Yellow Book. And rightly mentioned by the Honorable Leader of Opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma, about the movement of VIPs in the state. Sometimes people blaming the government, blaming those concerned VIPs, because that VIP culture is still taking place. I'm happy to inform the members of this August House, because 2 months back, we came out with the SOP of all the VIPs in the state of Meghalaya, even using of the siren, even using of the vehicles used by the VIPs. It was already there, black and white. So I am very sure these SOPs will be strictly followed by all the concerned VIPs.